What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. Y'all tuned back with them Jennings boys, man. And we back, man. We back again, once again. Y'all already know we out here in the field. It's Monday morning hustle. We out here at the plant. We done already did one load. And it's always something going on, y'all. It's always something in this dump truck game. And y'all looking to buy a dump truck, looking to be an owner-operator. Man, I'm giving y'all that raw, uncut footage showing y'all a day in the life of what an owner-operator go through, man. That's something y'all interested in learning about, becoming an owner-operator, learning how you can make $1,000 a day, and learning about all the headaches you gonna have. This the channel right here, man. Stop what you're doing. Go hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, like this video. We're gonna keep running these numbers on up, man. All my day ones, go in the comments, man. Put your city on, put your state on. Let us know where y'all tuning in from, where y'all watching from, and let us know what kind of trucking y'all doing. Are you in that big flatbed? You in that oversized load? You hauling them reefer trailers? You got the cement truck, trash truck? Man, all my trucking guys, go in the comments right now. Bless the comments. Let us know what y'all got going on. Let us know what kind of money y'all making out there, man. Like I said, it's Monday morning hustle. And we already got some issues. I'm out here on the job today, so I'm firsthand. Usually I'll be heading out here right now. But today I'm firsthand. I'll show y'all what's going on out here. This is why you do your pre-trip right here, ladies and gentlemen. When I came out walking around the truck, you know me, I just be checking stuff out. We noticed this right here. So this truck is down for the count. Tarp off, cable all frayed up. So we're about to be fixing that. And fixing this. I went ahead and put him in my truck. I told Nate to hop in the truck I'm driving. I'm gonna take this truck back to the shop and work on it. Let them finish the work day out. That way we can get this truck back rolling for tomorrow. We can't miss no days right now, y'all. It's crunch time. Waiting on Z Money to pull up. Z Money pulling up. Jack this baby up.
I went down to that other one. That shit took so long.
Yes, sir. We gotta jack him up. Alright, fam, we got her busted down. Busted down. We're gonna back this brake off, knock this drum off. Then we're gonna knock these studs out. 3 of them broke smooth off. We're gonna go ahead and just replace all of them. Y'all know me, I don't play around. I'm gonna just replace all of them, be done with it. All new studs. I just found the studs at the parts store and they're at Skinner's. So we're gonna go down there, grab the studs, and get this thing back going, y'all. Don't stop, no time clock. Y'all see what's going on. We'll get to
it. Yeah. Punch it and change it with this tire. This tire is like for the LG.
So you said take that one off?
Yeah.
That one there?
Yeah.
y'all see it, man. I went and grabbed them studs real quick. I don't know if I can hand hurt from hammering them in, but I got most of them in. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in. Got 3 more to go, y'all. 3 more to go. Got the new cable on there for the tarp. Got the tires swapped out. Them rims was bad. So better put two new rims. The rims got the holes got watered out, so the rims was ruined. So we got the tires mounted and dismounted. So once we get this on here, we'll be bolting her back up, and she'll be ready to go back out to work, y'all, to get this money on. That's why sometimes, man, you can fix something yourself. Go ahead and knock it out. See, we'd have to call somebody, would have to pay some money, and would have been sitting waiting, because ain't nobody just gonna come on the stop of a finger. Most of the time, mechanics, man, you gotta wait on them. We ain't trying to be down no days. We're trying to be right back out here getting this money tonight and tomorrow. And just like that, bam, we back in motion, y'all. And he just pulled up, so he got to go to the dentist. So now I'm about to have to go back out here. It's always something, y'all. He like, should I sign out? Hell no, we ain't signing out. I'm gonna go back out here and finish the day out. I ain't leaving no customer hanging. So we're getting ready to slide back out here, y'all. It's always something. You supposed to tap it. Tap, tap. Hold on, let me drop. Let me, you take this. Damn.
You lost your mic.
I think I did.
Maybe it's in front.
Where was it? Did I take it off?
Mm-hmm. Am I recording now?
Yeah, it should be blinking red.
Oh, yeah. So they can't hear you.
That's crazy, because guess what?
It's right there.
It's right here.
You just made that shirt yesterday?
Yeah. But where the freaking... magnet go? Alright, let me help. Let's get this done.
Oh my gosh. I'm never gonna leave here.
We better be used to shit like this. Alright, bro. We're gonna get in the hood, bro. Come on, Tito. Mike, come on.
Yeah.
Hey, try.
You got a Titan on there? It done broke again.
I told her I was pressing the button, it wasn't doing nothing.
Still too tight. I'm sick of working on trucks, especially working on tarps. Sick of it. You know, fix this tarp. We still gotta fix this tarp. Got the studs done. You ready? You need more. About right there. Tighten it now. Tighten it now.
Why can't I get all the way on?
Huh? Man, raggedy ass tarp. This motherfucker always breaking.
Hold on.
Yeah, that's too much.
That's too much.
Go about right here. Right there.
That's way too much.
No, it's not. You keep having it too motherfucking tight. Loosen a little bit. Loosen it just a little bit. All right, now hit it. Tighten that bitch. Tighten that bitch. Tighten that bitch right there. What you tightening it so tight for?
I gotta get it out there first.
But you made the cord too short? That's what it sound like.
Y'all not gonna put this on me. I did it.
That's why you not loosening it enough, because the cord too short. We might as well make a new cord.
Nah, this perfect. I measured it with the last one. Swear to God.
Be right back changing it again, because it's going to come off.
You think this cord was too tight on here? That's why I popped.
No.
It's the same size. Look. It's still in here.
That one probably longer, though, because this one straight. That one bunched up.
You good, right?
Hell no, it's too tight. Way too tight. Way too tight. Be about right there. You ain't got enough, do you? Make a new one.
I got an idea though, huh?
Ain't no idea gonna work, cuz just make a new one. He done fucked that one up, y'all. He cut it too short. Come on, let's get back to this CV. I'm ready to go. And then the motherfucking motor ain't even working still. The motor, I'm had to change that relay. One of them days, y'all. One of them days. All right. Let's figure this out. All right, y'all. Stay tuned. They end up cutting us off today, y'all. Start raining. Guess the inspector said we wasn't able to pave. It was too wet, so everybody rolling back in. It's one of them days. We've been doing good with the weather. Starting to catch up to us now, though. It's that time of year. That time of year when the weather be trash. That's why I hate this time of year. Why it's time to eat while we can. Dog right here said he want to get some drop axle tires, so we gonna get him together.